So finally guys, I had received my Solana Seeker phone. Like, they delivered it at my work, and we are now here to unbox this one. So let's go. So we're gonna be opening this phone case first. I got it for free. Or rather, I pay for this one, like but a cheap one. So, let's have a good look at this Seeker case. Oh, nice. Look at what does it have. So I've got like for the sides, and then this is the case, and I got this Seeker protector accessories. What are these? I think these are like just the tissues plus the screen protector. Screen protector 2, I think it's back and forth, or one is an extra one. So let's put this on the side, and then let's go to the main event, the Seeker phone. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, no need. So we can just like store this one. No, hell no. And here we go. We've got the Solana Seeker. You can have a look at here. Maybe I'm gonna be blurring this out. You can have a look at here, and then in here, pretty classy, eh? So it's not sealed, by the way. It's not sealed, but this one is sealed, so it's all okay. So let's open it up. Oh, this is sleek. So this is the Solana mobile phone itself. This one, I'm gonna be blurring out the IMEI. This one, it's very light. It's very light, if I may say. So I'll put this in here for a while, and let's see what the accessories are. So we've got the quick guide. So what do we have here? The usage warranty, the quick start guide, Solana mobile. This is the seed card, in which you will find this like for your seed phrases. And we've got the typical charger, or like the charging cord. It's both Type-C, so it's gonna be like iPhone charger friendly, or like if you're using iPhone 15 and above, you're quite good. And that's it, guys. So it's my first time in a long time unboxing again. So this is what we've got on my Solana mobile delivery. So one phone case protector, the unit, and inside the unit we've got the quick guide, the usage warranty, and the seed phrase card. That's it. Thank you for watching.